Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. Today I am back with presenting you my new digital kit for the holiday season. This is a kit of tags that we can use for gifts during the holiday season, and as well as in your junk journals if you do a winter holiday season theme. As well, I want first to start with presenting you my design team. So I did the call for a design team in August this summer, and it took me a while to kind of look at all the applications, and oh boy, that was a job, because I had to watch a couple of videos of each and see their style, and and then I could not take everyone, so I ended up choosing 10 members for my design team. And yeah, I want to present you their YouTube channel. From their channel, you should be able to get through their Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest if they have some, Etsy shops, that kind of stuff. There's no specific order in how I'm going to present you those nice ladies. I just go randomly. First, Ayesha. She's having the Young's Paper Creations YouTube channel. She's doing a lot of paper creations. She's from Canada, Ontario. Then we have Barbara. She's from Barbara Weber's Mountain Treasures. That's her YouTube channel. And she's been a crafter all of her life. She's from the US. We have Cheryl from Cheryl Tallafuss YouTube channel. She's from Florida, USA. And she has a shabby chic style. Then we have Cindy. Her YouTube channel is Cindy T, and she also has a shabby chic style. She's from the US. Then we have Claire from Claire Scrap Forever. She's from Canada, and she's my aunt. She learned me how to do scrapbooking when I was 15. So that was like 30 some years ago. And now when I discovered the junk journal world 2 years ago, I showed her. So we spend a lot of time. We live close to each other, close enough that we can see each other as often as we wish. So we do a lot together. And she's now doing some digitals, all those cute ladies. She's having an Etsy shop of all the, the yarns that I use, and a couple of my favorite items. Most of the time I ask her, can you get that in your shop? Then we have Donna. She's from Donna Morgan Creations. I think she's from the US. Yep. We have Kathleen from Kathleen Alcala YouTube channel, and she has a shabby chic style too. We have Misty from A Unique Treasure, and we have Rhonda from JoyJunkTique. Rhonda didn't apply to my design team. I contacted her. I went upon her YouTube channel by pure coincidence, and she don't have that much of videos there, but I loved her style, and something that touched me a lot there was a video of a junk journal flip through that she did, which has been made by her granddaughter, her 11 years old granddaughter. I love their style. And then we have Shirley from ShirlsArtwork. That's her YouTube channel. And I think she's from the USA too. So I'm gonna put all the links in the description below to all the YouTubes. I don't want to say too much about their channel or their style. This is something you kind of have to go and see if that's your style too. But hopefully you're gonna go see their channel, and maybe some of you will subscribe and start to follow their channels and their video and encourage them. During the month of November, they all gonna do a design team project with one of my digital kits. So this can be a source of inspiration for you, especially if you already have the kit. Yeah, so thanks for all of you who applied and gave me some love by applying to my design team. And let's see where it goes from here. Okay, back to those gorgeous tags. What I did is I did some tags in the shabby chic style, and I did some mason jar in the wintry, Christmassy, shabby chic style too. And then I thought I wanted to do cards with those mason jar. And of course you can fussy cut, and then you can glue it on a cardstock, and then you can fussy cut the cardstock as well. But I thought I could offer you an easy way to do your cards. And there's pages with 4 of the mason jar on the page, which makes them smaller, and I have other pages where you have 2 on that side, so they are bigger. For example, this would be the small version, and this one would be on that side. And how it works is I've already cut the lid, so there's a flat there, and you can fold the paper on the cut. And then when you do the fussy cut, you're fussy cutting both sides of the card at the same time, and it allows you to have a perfect card, you know, all aligned and cut perfectly to the shape of the mason jar. So you have cute little mason jar like that you can do a card with, and or the bigger format. Don't forget, if you add a lace or a thread here, don't do the wrap around the whole thing, because you won't be able to open it. So you have to wrap around just to cover. But isn't it cute? And it's original too. I mean, I'm thinking about, you know, those kids who do a mason jar of all the bakery ingredients that you need to do a cake, a brownie, or cookies, or any other things. You know, they layer the ingredients. So they could just hang a card like that, a mason jar card, on their gift. But it's good for kind of anything. It's just original. And I have the basic traditional tags. You have them in 2 sizes. So one you print 4 per pages, and one you print 8 per pages. And then, because I didn't have 16 of the small tags, I kind of created small, just name tags for gifts. So you can use them for other things as well, but I was mostly thinking about tags to add to your gifts, or to add to your junk journals in a pocket. So either sizes and format the mason jar or the tag, they are great to go in a junk journal's pocket as a decoration, and you can do some journaling inside. You also have the version that is not a card. You just cut it and you can do the journaling at the back, or you can use it as a tag like that. It doesn't need to be a card, so you can decorate them by doing a little hole and a bulb pen. You have a couple of labels to fill the gaps in the pages, so yeah, you can really have fun decorating. This is a card, just really easy to decorate, like just a couple of threads and tiny bits of laces, and that's it. You have a beautiful card or a tag. Look at that. This is just the side of a big lace that I trimmed out because I didn't want it, you know, I never like to keep the edges, so I keep them for some crafty projects like that. A name tag that you can put the name and glue that on the gift. And yeah, you can go really simple. This is just a tea bag that I glued at the back, and I've added some laces, just a little portion of lace. Isn't it so simple? Here, just adding some lace there, folded and glued on both sides to create a tag. This one, it's a fabric and it has some polka dot there. I don't know if you see, but laces and fabric and just a little bow. This, I must admit, I have 3 favorites. My favorite number 1 is this one. There's something there. There's something there that I just love. The other favorite is this mason jar. It is not Christmassy at all. I mean, you can use it all year long because it's just flowers, but the tint of the flowers make me think about goldish, and it just felt like holiday season to me. So I added it there, but you can definitively use it all year long. And my other favorite, well, I love them all, I must admit, but this is one of my other top 3, let's say. I love the cup, the coffee cup, the gingerbread. Oh boy. Yeah, even those berries. So, and it's with the shabby chic roses flower from the Roses Paradise kit. I just can't get enough of that pattern there. I still use it all the time. So if you have the kit, the Roses Paradise, this totally matches your kit and you can put them together. All right, so hopefully this inspires you, and I can't wait to see if we're gonna have tons of mason jars, tags in junk journals or in gifts. And if you do some, please share, please join my Facebook group and share with us your creations. We love to see some. Thanks for watching, everybody, and God bless you. Bye bye.